Yes, good morning to every one of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, very good. I am very happy to teach a student with, brilliancy. And the topic we are going to discuss today is that replacement of cost, that is in the double accounting system. That final accounts are there, and separately how the replacement of the fixed assets should be treated in the capital item as well as revenue item. That is what we are going to discuss. So already that illustration 10 was presented. That 11 also, after discussion in the video itself, it will be presented. Correct? அப்போ அந்த இல்லஸ்ட்ரேஷன் 11 வந்து எடுத்து பார்ப்போம். என்னன்னா திருப்பி நான் சொல்கிறேன், இந்த இல்லஸ்ட்ரேஷன் எதை ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணுறதுன்னா ஆக்சுவல் காஸ்ட்டை கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. இங்கே கேல்குலேட் பண்ண வேண்டியது ஃபியூச்சர் வந்து ரீப்ளேஸ்மெண்ட். நம்ம இப்போ ரீப்ளேஸ்மெண்ட் பண்ணக்கூடிய காஸ்ட் என்ன, வேல்யூ என்ன, as well as what is the present value according to the price index. Sometimes it may be given or you have to calculate. Okay, now anyone read the problem? Yes, read that illustration 11.
After that, the 2/3 of the old work was replaced at a cost of rupees 9 lakh, excluding the cost of old material used. The company used old materials for rupees 65,000, and a sale of the discarded parts was rupees 35,000. The cost of material and labor increased by 70%.
Yes, that's all. Okay, that is what is the present value or replacement cost? Whether it is given? Nine lakh it is. This is illustration 11.
Yes.
The replacement cost is 9 lakh. Then the old cost how much? 4,50,000, isn't it? We have to calculate the present value of construction. Okay, then I sit down. Then next you can read that particular. You read that solution. You take solution. Read the solution first. What is given? Just you can.
Current replacement cost. Old cost of replacement for 2/3 of the old work. 4,50,000 into 2/3, 3 lakhs. Add increase in material and labor cost at 70%, 2,10,000. Total 5,10,000.
Okay, that's all.
Current replacement cost.
Current replacement cost how much?
5,10,000.
Okay. Next line. Next.
Revenue.
Okay, sit down. Next one. You read next one. Next from that next. Current replacement cost she told.
Sales to revenue current replacement cost 5,10,000. Less sale of discard materials 35,000. Old materials used 65,000. 1 lakh. Total 4,10,000.
Okay. Next.
Charge to capital.
Charge capital.
Cost of replacement of the old work actual 9 lakh. Cost of the new work related to new road 2,50,000. Cost of old materials used 65,000.
Yes.
Total 12,15,000. Less replacement cost 5,10,000. Amount to be capitalized 7,05,000.
Okay. Yes. 7,05,000 to be capitalized. How much to be taken in the revenue? What is that? Replacement cost how much?
5,10,000.
5,10,000 to be, yes sir. 5,10,000 is the present value. That would be taken for the revenue. Whereas the difference is taken for the capital. Now it is very clear for you. You can read 3 or 4 times means it will be very clear for you. Okay. So that's all the illustration 11. Thank you. Thank you. Very good.